Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the file extension and the player error message. This tells you whether the container or codec is the issue. Once done, try a robust player such as VLC or MPV because they include many codecs out of the box. You should also check your OS media support and install a modern codec pack if needed. If the file is from a camera or phone, make sure transfer completed. Incomplete files often look unsupported. Now inspect the file with Media Info or FFprobe so you know the exact video and audio codecs and metadata. This explains why players fail. If codecs are exotic, remuxing into a compatible container can fix it quickly. Use FFmpeg to copy streams without re-encoding. If remuxing fails, convert the track to widely supported codecs like H.264 for video and AAC for audio. Choosing a reasonable bitrate. Finish by testing playback across a couple of players and on another device to confirm success. You want to distinguish player limits from file corruption. If playback still fails, verify file integrity. Compute a checksum or try a repair utility, because corrupted frames can break decoders. Make sure you always keep the original backup, and when needed re-encode only the problematic track instead of the whole file to save time and preserve quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.